So hey guys, I want to make a quick video and just show you these side-by-side comparison of these Timberlands. One is black and one is brown. These are really all high quality Timberland shoes. So I wasn't sure which color to get, but I think I'm actually going to get both of these. I like to do two different color options. Again, all waterproof construction, super high quality heels. You can see that the soles are really good for gripping, for mountain. These are really like good hiking boots. I mean, you can wear them in the snow if you want to as well, but definitely they're all branded as you can see here, and I love them. They are 100% waterproof, super soft, comfortable. You can see how they're made. The grommets are super well made. You can tie them really tight. You can tuck your jeans in or your pants in the boot itself, and that's why they have those grommets up there. So that's really important. So when you're hiking or you're out there in the wildlife, that's what these are really designed for really hiking. So the black, here's the brown. So I just want to make a quick video and just show you the comparison, what they look like, and I definitely recommend either one of these shoes. Again, super high quality, and you just really can't go wrong. Thanks for watching the review.